Welcome back. I'm back at you again with how to make money online. This is my suggestion 29. Yes, I've made it to 29. Um, be sure to watch videos, suggestions 1 through 28, as I have already done them. But this is suggestion 29. And my suggestion 29 to make money online is to do interview transcribing. Excuse me. To transcribe means to make a written copy of something. Interview transcribing is the process of listening to an audio or video interview and converting it into a written copy for reading purposes. Today, most of the journalists, nonfiction writers, and bloggers conduct thousands of hours of interviews, and most of them are too busy to transcribe them on their own. So they outsource this job to speed the publishing process. That's where they need interview subscribers. Your job as an interview transcriber, my bad, will be to listen to the audio or video interview and write it down word for word. Now, it's suitable for almost anyone, more suitable for people who love to write. The skills that are required is one, the ability to read, write, and fluently speak the language of your operation. Number two, the ability to listen and understand multiple accents in your language of operation. Number three, the ability to type faster is a must. Now, how you would get started is the first way is to register on the following transcription services sites and complete the available jobs.